In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Following that, click on your Google account at the top and select the preferable one by clicking on it. Now tap on autofill with Google, and finally this blue sweater next to use autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!